Found a BDB file and need to access the data inside? This is a database from one of the most embedded database engines in computing history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, query, and manage these Berkeley DB database files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust BDB file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. BDB files are database files created using Oracle Berkeley DB, a high-performance embedded database library used by countless applications for local data storage. They contain key-value pair data stored in B-tree hash or Q-access method formats, without requiring a separate database server process for efficient application embedded data management. Berkeley DB BDB files use a page-based binary format with selectable access methods. B-tree provides ordered key-value storage, hash provides fast unordered lookup, Q provides FIFO record access. The format supports transactions, locking, replication, and encryption managed through the Berkeley DB library API within the host application. The optimal viewer for the BDB format is generally considered to be Berkeley DB from Oracle Corporation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot display meaningful content from these files, so dedicated database tools are required to read them. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your BDB file and choose Open With. Check for Berkeley DB and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If you are still having trouble opening the BDB file, do not worry. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, accessing with dbhdump. Use the dbhdump utility included with Berkeley DB to extract data from BDB files. Run dbhdump pfilename.bdb to output key value pairs in a printable format. This displays all records in the database without requiring the original application. Install Berkeley DB utilities from your package manager or Oracle's download site. Next, using Python interface. Access BDB files, programmatically using Python's BSDDB3 module or the newer Berkeley DB package. Open the database with db BSDDB3 out open, file name BDB for B-tree databases. Iterate over keys and values or lookup specific records. This approach enables custom data extraction analysis and migration scripts. Finally, migrating to modern databases. Export BDB data using dbhdump and import into modern database systems, like SQLite for continued use. Create a SQLite database with an appropriate schema, and use a script to read dbhdump output and insert records. This migration path moves data from the embedded Berkeley DB format to a more widely supported database engine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.